Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to fix Bluetooth audio problem on iPhone 16e. Although the iPhone 16e is relatively new, some early adopters have reported experiencing a Bluetooth audio problem. According to user complaints on the Apple support community Reddit Annex, audio streaming from the iPhone 16e to a Bluetooth speaker occasionally stutters or cuts out. That said, let's try out a couple of handy ways to fix this annoying problem. First off, I will recommend you to forget the Bluetooth device and reconnect it to your iPhone. For a handful of users, forgetting the Bluetooth device and reconnecting it has managed to fix this annoying problem. So, I will recommend you to give it a chance. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to tap on Bluetooth. And then you have to tap on the tiny info icon located right next to your Bluetooth device. And then you have to tap on the Forget this device option and confirm it. After that, you have to restart your iPhone and reconnect it to the Bluetooth accessory. And then you have to play a song to check whether or not you have managed to fix the problem. Then I will recommend you to reset all settings on your device. If the Bluetooth audio problem has been caused by system glitches or the wrong configuration, factory resetting the device will help you get rid of the problem. Both or not, it will not harm any of your media or data. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to tap on General. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you have to select Reset. Then you have to select Reset all settings and confirm the action. And then play a song to check whether or not the problem is gone. Should the problem still persist, I will recommend you to update the software because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the Bluetooth audio from functioning properly. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to tap on General. After that, you have to tap on Software Update, and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily fix Bluetooth audio problem on your iPhone 16. Hopefully, the issue has been sorted out and the Bluetooth audio has started to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.